Nice and lovely, guys. So basically, as you can see, I have a glass right here. I got some cinnamon powder and some grounded ginger powder right here, and some fresh lime, or you can use lemon. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make you guys a hot drink for in the morning. Also, it's good for weight loss and also detoxing. First thing, roll out your lime like this. That's the juice can get to dissolve out into the lime. Use a sharp knife and cut it off, and simply squeeze half the lime into a glass cup like this, or a teacup, whatever you like to use. Then next, what you're going to do is put some grounded ginger powder, roughly about half teaspoon of grounded ginger powder. If you have fresh ginger, you can use that one. And also going to be using 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. And I'm going to be using some hot water from the kettle. You just simply give it a lovely mix. If you have some organic honey, it's very nice for you to use some organic honey, because the organic honey is one of the best you can ever use. So I'm going to use some organic honey, roughly about half teaspoon. Give it a lovely mix again. And not only that, give it a taste. That is beautiful. You can taste that lovely ginger. So what you want to do, you want to drink this early in the morning before your breakfast or before you go to your bed. The only reason why this one is like the weather is changing. So basically we need to just work with that beautiful weather at the moment, which is coming. It's going to be getting really cold and, you know, frosty and all these things. So you have to just get some really good medicine, antibiotic medicine into our body, like some nice lovely ginger tea, you know what I mean, cinnamon tea, garlic tea, and all these things. So drink this first thing in the morning before your breakfast and see exactly what will happen to your body. Very good recipe. So thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo show. We have a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. As you can see, lovely drink for having in the morning before your breakfast or one at night. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo show. We have a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. So I want to take the time out to say thank you so much, guys, for watching my show. See you next time. Bye-bye.